Hi, my name is Timo from TCK Solar. In this video I want to touch on EV chargers. We get asked the question a lot, do I need a fast charger for my EV? The important thing to know here is of course the usage figures of an electric vehicle. So an efficient electric vehicle uses 15 kilowatt hours on 100 kilometers. Less efficient EVs use up to 20 kilowatt hours on 100 kilometers. So somewhere in that range you will be sitting. We all have power points in our homes. So if we now plug in our EV when we come home into a power point, it charges with about 2 kilowatts. If you charge with 2 kilowatts for 1 hour, you add 2 kilowatt hours back into your car. So that means, let's take the example, you have an inefficient EV, a very big one, and it uses 20 kilowatt hours on 100 kilometers. You've traveled 50 kilometers and you come back home. Your car has used 10 kilowatt hours. If I plug that into a power point, it takes 5 hours to recharge. That, for most people, is totally manageable, and most people drive a lot less than 50 kilometers a day. So there you can see 95% of people, all they need is a power point. The difference though is, at the moment with gas cars, people tend to run them completely empty, go to the petrol station, fill up again, and then run them empty. With electric vehicles, that is changing. Where people have the opportunity to charge at home, it will become a much more frequent exercise. You come home, you plug in the car. When you combine that with solar, of course, different story. You really want to charge when you have excess solar power. So it might be that you are out at work for 5 days a week and not home during the day, so that you might wait till the weekend to charge it during the day of your solar. Which is another reason to not choose a fast charger, because if your solar system only produces an excess of 3-4 kilowatts, then you only want to charge your car on that level. So now looking at slightly faster options for charging, you can charge, as I said, power point with 2 kilowatts. You can put in a faster power point to charge with 3 kilowatts. You can put even faster chargers up to 7 on a single phase. After that, on 3-phase, you've got a lot more options. The most common one is 11 kilowatts. So as you can see, it gets really fast there. But then it usually means that you're relying on grid power to charge your EV. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you've got any other questions, please reach out to us. We can help you with installing, of course, chargers, but maybe you are good with just your PowerPoint. Thank you.